researchers from Kyoto University have developed a new way to calculate how black holes vibrate after collisions, a phenomenon known as these vibrations send out gravitational waves, which we can detect from Earth, but calculating them precisely, especially when they fade quickly, has been a challenge. The team used a powerful math tool called exact WKB analysis to map the behavior of black hole waves in extreme detail, even into the complex number domain of space. They uncovered spiraling wave patterns and structures that had been overlooked, helping to explain how black holes ring after events like mergers. This breakthrough could lead to more accurate interpretations of gravitational wave data and bring us closer to understanding the deep structure of spacetime itself.